Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 21st of April and we will cover all the important current affairs of the day. First, let us see question for the day. You have to answer this question in the comment section, and on weekend, that is on Sunday, we will see how many of you were the most consistent throughout the week in answering all the questions correctly. So the question is, Kisan Rath mobile app has been developed by, these are the options. Read the option carefully and then answer. To get PDF of all these videos, you have to join me on Telegram by writing Students Point 2020 on your Telegram app. You have to write Students Point 2020 without any space, without any special character. And I urge everyone to share these videos with as many friends of yours so that everyone can take benefit of this series. Let's begin now. The first question. Bug Sniffer has been developed by? So Bug Sniffer has been developed by Agarkar Research Institute, which is based in Pune. So here B is the right answer. What is Bug Sniffer? Bug Sniffer is a biosensor that uses synthetic peptides, magnetic nanoparticles and quantum dots. It will help to detect the presence of bacteria, and this will help in screening water and foodborne pathogens within just half an hour to 1 hour. So remember that this Bug Sniffer is a biosensor that uses synthetic peptides and magnetic nanoparticles, and it helps to detect presence of bacteria in water. Now let's move ahead. Before we move ahead, I want to say that last day we have conducted a test. In that test, some of you have performed really well and were just one push away from securing total marks, while some of you needs improvement. But don't worry, everyone will improve by every week. You just have to be attentive in the entire video so that you don't miss any video, and you have to just focus not only the questions but also on the explanation, because questions may be asked from explanation as well. Otherwise there will be no worth of providing so much explanation in this video. So you have to be attentive in the explanation too. While those who have not appeared in that test, go and appear in that test. Find yourself where you stand among those serious aspirants. I will share that video in the end. Tap on that icon and that was that, and tell your score in the comment section, that how much marks you are getting out of total 30. So let's move ahead. The second question, under which article of the Constitution President's rule can be invoked in a state? So President's rule can be invoked in a state under Article 356. So here A is the right answer. Remember Article 356. But after imposition of President's rule, it must be approved by both the houses of parliament, not only by Lok Sabha but also by Raj Sabha within 6 months. Then only President rule can be continued for longer period than 6 months. Remember that it has to be approved by both Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. And when President rule is imposed, when there is no government or no majority rule in the state, when there is hung assembly in the state. What is hung assembly? Hung assembly is a situation where no party is able to prove its majority in the state legislature. Then it is called as hung assembly. And during the hung assembly, president rules can be imposed in state. Also, when government is willingly not working under the laws of constitution, then also president may impose president's rule under Article 356. Now why this topic of president rule is under rule? Because many states have failed to strictly impose the laws and rules of lockdown. So there is talk that these states should come under president's rule. Next question. Consider the following statements about coronavirus. See, coronaviruses have a single strand RNA as their genetic material. This statement is correct. They have a single strand RNA as their genetic material, and when novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 enters a human cell, an enzyme called RDRP helps the virus replicate. This statement is also correct. So remember the name of this enzyme, RDRP. This is the enzyme which helps this coronavirus to replicate inside a human body, and this virus is SARS-CoV-2. So here both the statements are correct, so C is the right answer. And why it was in news? Because Remdesivir, which is a drug manufactured by a US based company in 2014 to treat Ebola can inhibit the activity of RDRP. So this remdesivir drug has potential to stop this activity of RDRP, and this will restrict this virus to spread in the human body. And this remdesivir is currently not available in India, which is a matter of concern, but still India has hydroxychloroquine, and by the time there will more research about remdesivir, India will manage to buy it too. Next question, consider the following statements about fuel cell. See, this is very important. Fuel cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. This is correct. In examination it is very common question that which devices converts what type of energy into what type. So remember that fuel cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy, while generally platinum, a metal, is used as catalyst. This statement is also correct. So platinum is used as catalyst in this fuel cell, but the problem is platinum is a very costly metal, so it is very costly to use fuel cell. So here both these statements are correct, so C is the right answer. So to overcome this problem, recently Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, operating under Department of Science and Technology, has launched an environment friendly catalyst for rechargeable metal batteries, and this catalyst will use fish gills. Remember that Institute of Nanoscience and Tech has developed a catalyst, and this catalyst will use fish gills. This will be a low cost and it can be used in energy conversion devices. This catalyst can be used as next generation non-precious carbon based catalyst. So now we don't used to rely on platinum as a catalyst, we can use this catalyst made up of fish gills. Next question, which became the first green state in the country with no case of coronavirus being reported since April 3rd. So it is the state of Goa. In Goa, no positive case of coronavirus affected person has been noticed or reported since April 3rd. So here C is the right answer. Next, Demo 2 mission is associated with. So Demo 2 mission is associated with NASA, and this was the previous day question. Next question, consider the following statements about blazars. See, this is again very important. Blazars. These are active galactic nuclei, in short called as AGN, whose jets are aligned with the observer's line of sight. This statement about this blazar is correct. It looks like this, and a line of sight, a rays like this appears. So they could be potential targets for future gravitational wave searches. This is also correct. And blazars have potential to even hold 2 black holes in it, so they appear very huge. So here both these statements are correct, so C is the right answer. And these blazars has a potential, they could be used to study gravitational waves. We receive gravitational wave from universe, so it is a huge potential to receive gravitational waves. And as I told, some blazars are thought to host binary black holes in them. Why it was in news? Researchers from Indian Institute of Astrophysics, which is based in Bangalore, which is an autonomous institute of Department of Science Tech, have conducted the first systematic study on gamma ray flux variability nature on different type of blazars. See, you might not be so much comfortable with the questions of science and technology, but there is no alternative. You have to remember, you have to go through these questions, and you have to just, if don't understand, then just mug up that what is blazar and why it is in news. That's all. Next question, consider the following statements about magnetic storms. So magnetic storms are rapid change in huge magnetic fields. This is correct. And magnetic storms can last from hours to days. This is also correct. So just remember that these are rapid change in huge magnetic fields, and they can last for hours to just days. So here both these statements are correct, so C is the right answer. Next question, Facebook has partnered with blank to discourage the spread of fake news in Bangladesh. So Facebook has partnered with Boom Fact Check to discourage the fake news in Bangladesh. So remember here A is the right answer. and it will review misinformation on topics from health, medicine to current affairs so that Facebook users in Bangladesh are able to identify factual information and news online. But why it is relevant for us? Because this Boom is an Indian fact-checking website which is available in English, Hindi and Bengali. Now let's see some facts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that new business and work should be redefined on the vowels of A, E, I, O, U in post-COVID world. This A stands for adaptability, E for efficiency, I for inclusivity, O for opportunity and U for universalism. I repeat, A for adaptability, E for efficiency, I for inclusivity, O for opportunity and U for universalism. Next, under National Policy of Biofuels 2018, during every crop year when there is an oversupply of food grains, this over quantity or surplus quantity can be used to produce ethanol. So recently government has decided that oversupply or surplus quantity of rice produced in the country this year will be used to produce hand sanitizers. First it will be converted into ethanol and then that ethanol will be converted into hand sanitizers. So don't forget to watch this test, take this test, like this video, share these videos with your friends, subscribe to the channel, answer the question in the comment section, wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay at your home and stay safe.